How to install Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Mac. It is a very simple and straightforward process. First of all, I would like to mention that I am currently running the macOS 27 Golden Gate beta version. This is the developer beta. So if you see a few things missing or a few things too many on my screen, that may be the reason why. By the way, if you are interested in knowing how to install it, I've already made a video. You can go and check it out. To download Acrobat Reader, it only makes sense that you open App Store and then type in Adobe Acrobat Reader, right? And once you type that in, you cannot actually find legitimate Adobe Acrobat Reader on the App Store. And the reason why that is because it is not available on the App Store at all. You have to download it separately. For that, you want to go to your browser. In your browser, type in Adobe Acrobat Reader. And in here, you can see that we have the first link to download it. But let's type in for Mac. So as you can see, I have typed in Adobe Acrobat Reader for Mac. I want to go on the first link that is available. And here you can select download Acrobat Reader. It has taken us to the download page and directly given us a window wherein you can download it. You can see Adobe Reader.dmg. So it is actually a Mac file. It has automatically detected the device. So let's select on save and you can see that it is downloading right over here. By default, it is actually going to download into the downloads folder. I'll show you how to get there from the browser itself and also through the finder. As you can see, it has now downloaded. To go to downloads folder, I can just select this folder. It is going to basically show me where it is. Alternatively, I can open finder. And in finder, on the left side, you can see in the sidebar, you have downloads. And in downloads, on the top, you have Adobe Reader. Now to install it, we are just going to double click on it and that should open up an installation. So this is a PKG file. I'm going to double click on it and it's going to open up an installation wizard. So you can see in this window, welcome to Acrobat Reader installer, and I'm going to click continue. Install on all users of this computer. Install for me, that is not an option, but I'm just going to do it for all users. Continue, and then you can see it will take up about 2.36 GB of your space on the computer. In my opinion, that is a bit much. I can also change the installation location. For now, I'm just going to leave it at whatever default it is and then click install. After that, I will have to put in my admin user and password. Especially if you're not on an admin account, you will have to do this. Click install software and you can see now it is writing files. As you can see, the installation was successful. You can now close this. If you want, you can move this to trash or you can keep it. I'm going to choose to keep it for a bit, and if I have any issues, I can then reinstall it or later move it to trash myself. So to open up Acrobat Reader, now you have to go to apps. It's going to give you a thank you for downloading page. Yeah, so it has automatically also opened up. You can also find this in apps. As you can see, we have Adobe Acrobat, or you can also use Spotlight search for it. So there you have it. The Adobe Acrobat Reader is now installed and you are ready to go. Now to open a PDF with this, I'll show you how to do that as well. To open this, you can see we have the PDF file on the desktop. If I double click on it, it is going to open up in preview. If you want to open it with Acrobat Reader, you can right click on it and select open with and then go to Acrobat application. So it's going to say I want to access the downloads folder. I'm going to allow it because otherwise how is it going to do it? So there you have it. It's now opening up. This is just a random sample PDF that I downloaded off the internet to show you guys. But hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.